Hey, okay, I'm going to show you how to automate and loop all of your social media posts going out on Twitter and your Facebook page for free using just IFTTT and your Google Calendar. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a Google Calendar and you have a separate calendar set up just for your social media. So I have this one here. I put an X in front of it because really I never look at it unless I'm adding new socials. But all of these are my social media posts. So make sure you have Google Calendar set up. And then you want to make sure you have an account with ifttt.com. And so once you're logged into both of those, the first thing you're going to want to do is in IFTTT, go to New Applet. Once you're there, it's going to come up with this sentence here, if this, then that, which is what it stands for. And so we want to say, if this happens, and the this is our Google Calendar. So we're going to find Google Calendar. So if a new event from search is added, make sure you click that one. Once you're into here, we're going to want to change some of these actions. So which calendar, make sure you choose the one that is your social media calendar, and then choose a keyword or phrase. And so I'm going to use hashtag Twitter. That's what I like to use. Then you're going to go create, and it's going to say then that. And for the that, we're going to search up Twitter. And you want to make sure you choose post a tweet with image, because I like to post it with a picture too. And so when you're here, you're going to want to go add ingredient, and you're going to want to say description, erase this part here, title, starts, all of that stuff. You want to just add description. It will look like that. And then image URL, you want to click where. And so what that's going to do is when you are creating your Google Calendar event, the image is going to be here in the where section, and the actual tweet is going to be in this description section. So anything that I want the tweet to say, I'm going to put over here in the description. So we're going to go ahead and create action, and you're done. Click finish once it's done. What you will have to do is make sure that if this is your first time using IFTTT, that you have your Google Calendar linked with it, you have your Twitter linked with it, and your Facebook page linked up as well. So speaking of Facebook page, let me show you how to do the same thing for your Facebook page. So you're going to create new applet, if this, and find your Google Calendar. Again, go new event from search is added. Make sure you click the correct calendar, and this time my keyword is going to be Facebook page, like that. You can make it whatever you want. I just like to do it like that. Then that, we're going to go Facebook page, like this. And we want to make sure you click upload a photo from URL. Then the photo URL, again, we're going to put it in the where, and the message, we're again going to put it in description, and you can create an album name if you want, or just leave it blank and it will create its own little folder called IFTTT photos, but it just is posted to your Facebook page timeline. Once you're done, you can click create action and then finish. And now you have these two things set up, and the only thing you have to do next is start creating them in your Google Calendar. So what you're going to want to do is click anywhere, go to more options to actually create the event. Make sure in the title you put both of those hashtags that we created. And here you want to add an image. So let's say I wanted to add this image. I was going to post all about this video that I'm making now, how to automate your social media for free. I would right click on this image and go to copy image address, and that's going to give me a URL for that actual image. So if I try it in a new tab, it will look like this, because this image is saved in my WordPress. And you can do that for anybody's blog post. So if I'm posting somebody else's content and they have a featured image, you can again just right click and get the URL for the image, and you can go ahead and put that there. I like to send this through bit.ly.com just to shorten it, but that is really an unnecessary step, just one that I like to take so it looks a little bit cleaner. There we go. See, doesn't that look better? And then you want to add your description. So you want to say, want to know how to loop all your socials for free. And then you want to add the actual link to this post. So you go like this and make sure that you put the link here. Again, I would put that through Bitly, because if you're posting to Twitter, you only have 130 characters or whatever it is, and that includes the link. So make sure to keep it nice and short. And I've included in this post that comes along with this video where to check. Under 140 characters, you can paste it into here and see how many we're at. So the next really important part, once you have your image in the where and your message in the description and these up here, is you want it to repeat. So if you want this to go out every single month without you ever having to worry about it again, we're going to go to this repeat section here where it says does not repeat. We're going to go to custom, and then we're going to say repeat every month, and it will say, so do you want to repeat this every month on day 12? And you want to say yes. And so once that's done, you will have, and you click save like so. The other thing I like to do actually is keep these to just half an hour. Again, unnecessary step, but one that I just think looks better. There you go. And once you have that in your calendar, it's going to post on Twitter and your Facebook page every single month on the 12th day of the month. And so as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff going out. Some of it's my content, some of it's other people's content, and it's going out all the time onto my Twitter and my Facebook page. And let me show you an example. So look, here's the one that we just posted 36 seconds ago. And it looks just like that. The image is there. It has the description that we made and the link as well. So good luck scheduling all of your socials. There's the bulk of the work at the beginning when you want to schedule everything into your calendar all at once. But after that, you won't have to think about it again.